Environment Canada has issued a severe weather bulletin for southern Alberta at 10:40 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, March 27th, 2021. A wind warning is issued for Kananaskis, Canmore.
Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
What is this for?
A émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Where is this for?
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for southern Alberta at 3:53 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Sunday, March 28th, 2021. A wind warning is continued for Drumheller, Three Hills. A wind warning is continued for Kananaskis, Canmore, and Brooks, Strathmore, Vulcan. A wind warning is changed to a wind warning for Airdrie, Cochrane, Olds, Sundre, and City of Calgary. A snowfall warning is continued for Kananaskis, Canmore. A snow squall watch is continued for Airdrie, Cochrane, Olds, Sundre, Drumheller, Three Hills, City of Calgary, and Brooks, Strathmore, Vulcan. Environnement Canada.